What's up, guys? Welcome to this video where we are going to talk about how to get approved on Google AdSense. I will not complicate your life, guys. I will just tell you what I did to get approved on Google AdSense with just 5 articles on my website. Okay, so let's get started, guys. I just posted five articles on my website to get approved on Google AdSense, guys. I just posted 5 articles, as you can see right here. This is my website where I get approved. Okay, guys, I just posted 5 articles, as you can see. Okay, 5 articles, only 5 articles. These articles. Okay, so I'm going to give you the tips you need to get approved fast on your Google AdSense account. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, you must focus on these 4 things that I'm giving you. Okay, good theme. I'm talking about WordPress template must be a good theme, guys. Okay, we have unique articles. You must write unique articles. Don't worry, guys, I'm going to talk about all these things. Okay, I'm going to specify all these things, what you need to do to get approved on Google AdSense. Okay, good SEO rating on your articles. Okay, and focus also on page speed. Page speed is very important to get approved on Google AdSense, guys. Okay, so just follow these steps and you will get approved. I promise you. If you don't get approved, you can write below in the comments and I will help you to get approved fast. Okay, let's go to my website where I'm going to show you what I did to get approved. Okay, let's go to the panel. Okay, attention, guys, I just got approved on Google AdSense in just one day. I did it 2 times. Okay, for the first time I did it, I just posted and I was like, let's see the like. Okay, but right now, but after that, I worked and I improved my website, and in one day I just got approved. Okay, as you can see right here, we have the data. Okay, right here, the difference is one day. I won't lie to you, guys. I can't lie to you. Let me refresh. You will see the days. Okay, this wasn't Sunday. Okay, this wasn't Sunday. This wasn't Sunday. Let me see this one, and this one was in Monday. Sorry for the language. I speak Portuguese, but I'm making videos in English, so you must be complicated, and also my English is sometimes poor, but sorry for that. I'm just trying to give you the info. Okay, as you can see, I got approved in one day. Okay, let's go, guys. This is the website. I'm going to show you the posts, as you can see. Let's go to the posts. I'm using incognito because I don't want to log definitely in this device. Okay, there it is, guys. I have five articles, only 5 articles, guys. Let me open this one. This one have a good rating for SEO. Let me open this one. You will see, guys, that this is not too much complicated. I'm going to explain you what you have to do in your articles to get approved. Okay, guys, first you must you must have good readability, okay? But I don't have good readability on all my posts, okay? This one is poor, but many of the posts have good readability and good SEO, okay? And about the images, okay? Don't forget the tags. Don't forget the tags, guys. Don't forget tags. Let's go to the image. Your image must be in WebP format, okay? You can convert it. If you download a future image for your articles, you can edit it online. Just search for online converter, and you can convert your images to WebP, okay? Just use WebP on your future, or on the image that you're going to post on your website, to increase your loading speed, okay? Your loading speed must be low to get approved. It will help you to get approved on Google AdSense, okay? You must put some links from your website on your articles, guys. Put some links. As you can see, this link is referring a category, okay? Just put some links of your website on your posts, guys, okay? As you can see, I have here some headings, okay? This is headings, guys. Headings. Just do what the readability tells you, and you will get, and it will help you to get approved on Google AdSense. Don't worry, guys. I have good SEO, good readability. Just do it, and you will get approved on your website, okay? You will get approved. Don't worry, guys. I have 5 articles, as I told you, okay? What is the other thing I say? Okay, good theme. I'm using a newspaper. I don't know if this one is for free. I don't know, but I'm using unregistered, as you can see. You know what I did, guys, and I think that you can also do this, okay? I'm using newspaper. This template is simple to edit. Just download it, search on Google, and you will find it easily, okay? The other thing that you must focus, okay, unique articles, okay, guys. I'm Portuguese talker, okay? I talk Portuguese in my language. So what I did to get unique articles, okay? To get unique articles, I just search for example, I will write in my language, okay? Okay. I wrote in my language, and I found articles about it, okay? For example, this one. We have this one. I search in my language. Okay, guys. I search in my language, and I copy the text that I want, and I convert it in other language. Okay, I was writing articles in English, so I translated it to English, guys. Okay, as you can see, all my articles, I did these, guys. All these articles, I just searched it in Portuguese, and I translated it to English. Okay, don't worry, guys. Just eat. You don't need to have 30 articles, 50 articles to get approved on Google AdSense, guys. I just got approved on Google AdSense just with 5 articles, guys. 5 articles. I'm not lying to you, guys. I'm not lying. Okay. Let's see the other thing. And page speed. You will need the WP Rocket plugin. Okay, this is free, guys. This is free. You just need this one to get approved. Okay, good SEO and readability. Sorry guys for the English. I know that is sometimes poor. Okay, unique articles. You can translate. Sorry, you can translate in PT. Okay, PT or French or whatever to English, right? You can do it to get unique articles and get approved on your Google AdSense account. Okay, here we can say that we used newspaper, but I can also recommend you Newsmag and other templates. Okay, these templates are good for to have a good website. Okay, I think that I talked about all these things that you must do to get approved on your Google AdSense account. Okay, just to remind you guys, you must have a good theme. Okay, you must have unique articles and good SEO rating. Okay, don't forget the readability. The readability is very important. It's very important, guys. And the page speed. Okay, let's see what is the speed of my website right now. Okay, Google speed. I think that I can search like this, Google speed. Okay, page speed insights, Google speed. Let me put this one. As you can see, I've been looking for it. Okay, sometimes you must go to the plugin that you use and clear the cache and others. Okay, but let's see, it's analyzing. Okay, as you can see, guys, the speed of my website is this. Okay, on desktop, as you can see, guys, just follow these steps and you will get approved on your Google AdSense, guys. I'm not lying to you. If you are having any difficult, just write in the comments and I'm going to help you to approve your Google AdSense just for free. Don't worry, guys. Write in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye.